Hi students, welcome to class. Today we will learn A for. Do you know A for what? A for ant. A for ant. And next A for ape. A for ape. Ape is a monkey like humans. And now we have A for air. A for air. The fan gives air. Next we have ark. A for ark. This is ark and this is also an ark. Now we have A for art. A for art. Next we have A for ass. Ass is a donkey. A for S. Next we have A for add. Add means plus. Add 1 and 1 equals 2. A for add. Next we have A for ace. A for ace. This card is ace. A for ace. Next we have ash. A for ash. A for ash. If something is burnt, then ash is made. Next we have A for ant. A for ant. You and I. This is ant sign. What? A for ant. Next we have A for aim. The boy is taking aim. He is killing some bird. Yes. So A for aim. Good. A for all. He has all the money. Yes. A for all. He has all money. Next we have A for aid. The woman, the girl is giving aid. Aid means help. She is giving money to the poor boy. Yes. A for aid. A for aid. Next we have A for arm. Strong arm. A for arm. Very good. Now we have A for X. A for X. A for X. Next we have all. AWL all. A for all. A for all. AWL all. Next we have avo. Do you like to eat avo? Yes, yummy avo. I like avo. Next, A for eight. Oh, he ate so many cakes. Only one left. A for eight. His tummy is full. Yes, because he ate so much. He ate so much. A for eight. And now we have A for oh. She is surprised. Oh my God. A for oh. And now let's revise our all the A for letters. So the first one is A for ant. Come on, say again. Say together. A for ant. A for ant. A for ape. A for air. A for ark. A for art. Very good. A for S. A for S. Good. Now we have A for add. Very good. A for add. A for ace. A for ace. A for ash. The paper is burnt and there is ash. The wood is burnt and there is ash. A for ash. A for ant. A for ant. This is ant sign. And now A for aim. A for aim. The boy is taking aim. Now we have A for all. He has all the money. Now A for eight. The girl is giving eight. The girl is giving eight. Next we have arm. A for arm. A for arm. Good. Now we have A for X. Very good. A for X. Come on, say again. A for X. And this is A for all. Now A for Avo. Do you like Avo? Yes, I like Avo. This is yummy Avo. Next, A for 8. He ate so much. His tummy is full. He ate so much. A for 8. Now we have O. A-W-O. Oh, I'm surprised. A for O. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.